Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update KB5061768 failed to install in Windows 10. So KB5061768 is an out-of-band update released on May 19, 2025 for Windows 10 versions 22H2 and 21H2. It mainly addresses a critical issues introduced by a previous update where devices running Intel vPro processors 10th generations or newer with Intel trusted executions technology-enabled experience system instability. And common reasons of the failure to install this update include corrupted system files, badged software distributions folder, or problems with relevant Windows services. And then I'll show you numerous solutions to fix these issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update and Network Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, and then you need to select the system on right side, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to select troubleshoots and then click. And then here at troubleshoots under at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then under at most frequent, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, you can say this run and then click. And then pop ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So wait till the process is finished and apply all the recommended changes. So we will wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. So this is the results. That problems found, check for Windows Update issues. So this is the detected. If this issues is already fixed, and then you need to click yes, but if not, and then click no, and then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this issue. And also you can view detailed informations about these issues. And then after here at Windows Update, and then we need to close, and then repeat these procedures with network and internet troubleshooters. And then on right side, you can say this run and then click. And we will redirect here at help and so forth. So all you have to do is to follow this step-by-step procedures and methods to fix these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at help and support, and then we need to close. And the other solution that we're going to do is to perform this cleanup. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this cleanup, and then you need to click this open. And then pop-ups this cleanup drive selections. So select the drive you want to clean up, and then you need to select this arrow and select this main drive C by default, and then click. And then next you need to click this OK. And then we will wait again for calculating and scanning. And then pop-ups again this cleanup for C drive, and the next step, then you need to select this cleanup system files and then click again. We will drive selections, so we need to select a C drive by default and then click OK again. And we will wait to complete the calculating and scanning again for this cleanup. And then pop-ups this cleanup for C drive. So files to delete, so all you have to do is to select this Windows Upgrade log files and temporary internet files. And then we need to scroll down and select delivery optimization files. All right, so we need to select also temporary files, and then double check. So once you click already these files, and then next step you can say this okay and then click. And are you sure you want to permanently delete these files to fix these issues, and then click delete files. And then we will wait again to complete the cleaning up drive for CMIN default, and then for a processing of cleaning temporary files and upgrade files as well. Alright, so once it's complete, And then we need to click on start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Okay, so click restart. Alright, so thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.